You might be familiar with the GoalSeek tool in Excel. It is used for solving one equation in one unknown. Specifically, it allows you to force a formula cell to equal a desired value by varying the value in a selected cell. For example, in a break-even model, you might want to find the sales volume required to break even, that is, to force profit to zero. At-Risk has a very similar GoalSeek tool found under the Advanced Analyses dropdown. The difference is that it allows you to force a summary measure, such as a mean, standard deviation, or percentile, of an output cell to a desired value by varying the value in a selected cell. As an example, suppose you want to find the transaction capacity in this e-commerce model that forces the mean profit to 230,000. The mean is currently about 200,000 when the capacity is set to 2 million. You can see this when I run the simulation. There's 200,000 approximately. To force mean profit to 230,000, I will select GoalSeek from the Advanced Analyses dropdown and fill in the resulting dialog box as shown here. Want to force profit, actually the mean of profit, to 230,000 by changing the capacity cell. You can speed up the search by adding lower and upper bounds on capacities to search in the Options dialog box. I'll make it 1 million and 2 million. The tighter the bounds, the quicker the search. Also, note in this dialog box that only an approximate answer is guaranteed. The mean profit will be within 1% of the desired value. The reason is that it might take too long to find a more exact value. Now I will click on Analyze. And it does a search, and the result you can see here. Your results might differ slightly because of the random numbers generated. It says to use a capacity of 1.2 million approximately. Of course, this doesn't imply that a capacity of 1.206 million will lead to a profit of $230,000. It only implies that this capacity will lead to a mean profit of approximately $230,000. Actually, if you run At-Risk again with this capacity, you will not get a mean return of exactly 230,000, but it will be reasonably close. I'll try it. Close to 230,000. In fact, if you run GoalSeek again, it is very possible that it will report a slightly different capacity, again because of randomness. Slightly different. As stated earlier, you can force any summary measure of profit to a desired value with GoalSeek. For example, with a capacity of 2 million, the standard deviation of profit is a little over 290,000. I'll show that. I will use GoalSeek to reduce this to about 200,000. Standard deviation of profit to 200,000. As you can see, the required capacity is about 1.73 million. Using that capacity, let's see what the standard deviation is. About 200,000.